Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're diving into the top 10 content ideas for YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these ideas will help you keep your channel fresh and engaging. Let's get started. First up, we have how-to videos. These are evergreen content that people always search for. Whether it's how to cook a delicious meal, fix a gadget, or even how to start a YouTube channel, how-to videos are a great way to share your expertise and help others. For example, a popular how-to video could be how to make the perfect cup of coffee at home. You can break down the steps, show different techniques, and even share some pro tips. Next, we have tutorial videos. Similar to how-to videos, tutorials dive deeper into specific skills or topics. Think makeup tutorials, coding tutorials, or even DIY crafts. These videos are perfect for showcasing your skills and providing value to your audience. For instance, a makeup tutorial could focus on creating a glam look for a night out, where you walk viewers through each step from foundation to finishing touches. Coming in at number 3, we have review videos. People love to know what they're getting before they buy something. Whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or even books, review videos help your audience make informed decisions. A detailed review video could be reviewing the latest smartphone pros, cons, and should you buy it. You can cover the features, performance, and your personal experience with the product. Number 4 on our list is vlogs. Vlogging gives your audience a glimpse into your daily life. It's a great way to build a personal connection with your viewers and share your experiences in a more casual, relatable way. For example, you could create a vlog titled, "A Day in My Life as a Content Creator," where you take your audience through your daily routine, from brainstorming ideas to filming and editing. Fifth, we have challenge videos. These are super fun and engaging. From viral internet challenges to personal dares, challenge videos can quickly capture attention and encourage viewer participation. A popular challenge video could be 24-hour no phone challenge, where you document your experience of staying away from your phone for a whole day and share the highs and lows. Next up, we have reaction videos. Whether you're reacting to the latest movie trailer, a viral video, or even fan comments, reaction videos are a great way to share your thoughts and connect with trending topics. For instance, you could create a reaction video titled, "Reacting to the Most Viral TikToks of 2024, where you watch and comment on some of the most popular TikTok videos. Seventh on our list is live videos. Live streaming allows you to interact with your audience in real time. Whether it's a Q&A session, a live event, or just hanging out, live videos create a sense of community and immediacy. You could host a live video titled Live Q&A, Ask Me Anything About Content Creation, where you answer questions from your viewers and share your insights. Number 8, we have 360-degree videos. These immersive videos allow viewers to explore the scene from every angle. It's perfect for travel vlogs, virtual tours, and interactive experiences. For example, you could create a 360-degree video titled Exploring the Beautiful Beaches of Bali, where viewers can virtually experience the stunning scenery. Ninth on our list is animated videos. Animation can bring your ideas to life in a fun and creative way. Whether it's explainer videos, storytelling, or educational content, animated videos are visually appealing and engaging. You could create an animated video titled The History of the Internet, from ARPANET to 5G, where you use animations to explain complex concepts in an easy-to-understand way. And finally, we have branded videos. Collaborating with brands can provide valuable content for your audience while also monetizing your channel. Just make sure the products or services align with your channel's niche and values. For instance, you could create a branded video titled Unboxing and Reviewing Brand Name Products, where you showcase and review products from a brand you trust. And there you have it, the top 10 content ideas to start your YouTube channel. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.